Sound pretty damn awesome. But I highly recommend them. Easy to put in. And that's it. Gotta take it off for a test ride.